Good morning. I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. Looking at our weather headlines, we have some thunderstorms that are going to move in tonight with the possibility for them to become severe. Sunday, we also have the possibility for some severe thunderstorms. Monday, we're expecting rain during the day, during the evening, but not a total washout. Back to today, though, severe weather outlook for all of these areas in the green, which is closer to our area. We're looking at a marginal risk for some severe weather. That's a category 1 out of 5 being the highest. The biggest threat for us with this is really damaging winds for what we can expect tonight. So here's how this is tracking out for us. I'm just advancing here to 9 p.m. because we're quiet throughout the day. We've got plenty of sunshine. We're still quiet, clear skies at that time as well, just a few clouds rolling through. And then here's 10 p.m. and look what is moving into our area. We start to see that line of thunderstorms moving into our area. Here's 11 p.m. starting to break up a little bit, but still very, very present. And then it's going to move out, I'd say, around 1 a.m. So really early into Saturday, we can expect it to be done. And then I'm just going to fast forward through the rest of Saturday because we have a lot of things to talk about for Sunday. So Saturday, dry conditions, and then I'm moving on to Sunday here. All right, so Sunday, 1 p.m., just some cloud cover at that time. Then we get to 4 p.m., and you can see this line of thunderstorms moving into our area. With this, all the hazards are in play. Large hail is a possibility, damaging winds, and we can't rule out an isolated tornado with this. Not expecting it at this time, but all the hazards are in play. So here's 4 p.m. I advance to 5 p.m., still very present on us. More intense at that time. Then I advanced to 8 p.m. and a lot of that has moved east. It's pretty much all of it's moved east. But look, we only got a little bit of a break because here comes another round at 11 p.m. So that's what we can expect. Just be careful. Like I said, all the hazards in play for Sunday. For our 5-day chance of rain, Saturday, you see that 50%, but we're talking like 1 a.m. on Saturday, so don't worry too much about that. We're having dry conditions. Sunday, 60% chance of showers. Monday, showers as well. So we've got some rain we'll be dealing with over the weekend and into next week. Today, we top out, though, at 81 degrees with plenty of sunshine. Temperature drops down to a low of 61 tonight. We had those thunderstorms moving through. So looking at your 7-day, Friday, Saturday looking good, even though late tonight we're going to have those thunderstorms. They're going to move through and then we'll have quiet conditions for Saturday. Sunday, though, you saw what we could be dealing with as with those thunderstorms. Monday, we're looking at an all rain event for Monday. Then Tuesday, some showers are going to be in our area during the a.m. and then we're going to kind of quiet down and have dry conditions for next Wednesday and Thursday. But you can see here the temperature is really going to take a dive starting Monday. So that was a lot. Hope that helps you to plan your weekend and start your week. That does it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'm going to let you get back to our news.